What's up, guys? And we are back doing part number 2 of the cargo floors. So, as you can see, this is the progress that we made last time. I was originally just going to cut this little square out right here and then just replace that little square, but the cargo floors that you buy for this double cab come as 2 separate pieces. You can see where the seam is that they join right there. So, I'm not going to buy a whole set of cargo floors and then just replace that small little section. If I'm going to buy it all, I'm just going to replace it all. So that's what we're going to do today. What I'm going to do is just cut down this line. Let me see if you guys... Boom. Cut down this line. Boom. And then with the hammer and chisel, break that up. And then just keep going doing this section. Break that up. That section down there. Break that up. So yeah. Let's get started. I'll set you guys up so you can see. You're going to have to change out this grinding wheel pretty soon. We'll cut off wheel, but yeah, let's get started. I'll set you guys up. I'm going to put you guys inside. That might be a little bit easier for you guys to see what I'm working on. Let me see if you guys are set up in a good spot. Gotta change out this wheel real quick. Now I'll use the So as you can see, we just did some cuts along here, cuts along there, and now what I'm gonna do is just take the hammer and chisel and start prying it off of this cross member piece. So let's get going. Try to find the best spot to put you guys. Maybe right here is pretty good. Let me see, put you guys down a tiny bit. That's good. This one's being a bugger. Alright, I think I'm going to try something different. I think what I'm going to try is... Yep. There we go. Finger discipline. I'll put that right there. And so let's go try it out. I gotta switch this end piece off just because it doesn't fit my compressor. So let's go switch it. Set you guys up like right here. Can you see? Yeah, you can probably see. Okay. Alright, I'm going to cut it right here because you guys probably don't want to watch all this fast forward stuff. So I'll update you when I am done. So, what's up guys, we're back. So I ended up actually cutting out that section. I'll show you guys the progress right now. So what I'll end up doing is just cutting out this section now. And I just keep working my way back and working my way back. Couple things I got was a new air compressor and a new welding cart. So you can see I got this new welding cart from Harbor Freight. I mean, it's nice, it's cheap, but it doesn't fit my welder. And it's actually poorly engineered design. So these bolts right here, they obviously stick out. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they stick out, not allowing the welder to actually sit in place. So what I think I'm going to do is take these bolts out on both sides. Let's see. And then just, you know, weld this bracket in place instead. That way this thing can actually slip in there and I can have a nice welding cart. I mean, it was a $40 welding cart, you know. Can't really complain too much. My welder's too big for it, even though this is like one of Miller's smallest welders that they make. Yeah, I'll make another video about that. Taking those bolts out, welding this up, and then let me show you my new air compressor. So I got this Central Pneumatic 29-gallon oil lubricated air compressor. It's pretty nice. I mean, for Harbor Freight, I think it was, God, I forgot how much it was around like $350, $400 for it. But I mean, it works amazing. It beats the other air compressor I was using. So yeah, I got this retractable Diablo compressor hose. So nice setup right now. And I mean, there's a box if you guys want to see it. And I've been using the air hammer on this air chisel, and I mean, it just pulls it up like no tomorrow. I mean, before I was using the hammer and chisel, I mean, it took a long time and a lot of energy. With this new air chisel, it's just like, man, it pulls it right up. So that's a trick. So yeah, let me get started on this section, and I'll update you guys right afterwards. All right, guys. So I wanted to show you. So we cut out this whole section. Now I'm starting on this. What I did is just, you know, you can see the cut right along there. So what I want to show you right now is just using this air chisel, how well it actually works. All you do is just, you know, hold it right there and, oh shit, kind of hard with one hand, but look at that, just cuts right through. And then you lift up a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna put the camera down. This will be a lot easier. There we go. I'm trying not to block with my hand. It just pops right up. So I'll keep doing that all the way down. I'll keep rolling this metal, and yeah, I'll update you guys shortly. Alright, and this is what we just did. Just cut out that whole section. It's all rolled up right over here. Look at that. Coolest metal roll I've ever seen. Alright, so now I just gotta work back a little bit further, get all that stuff cleaned out, and then rear cargo floors will be done. You know, besides all the little detail stuff like getting this edge off, clean up over there, clean up over here. I'm a little confused because here's the inner rocker, outer rocker, but then there's a centerpiece. So maybe this is the inner, that's the outer, and this is like a floor support. I don't know, I'll have to look at the diagram on Wolfsburg's West and see, but yeah, I'll start working on that over there. The scary part's getting, you know, the grinder near all these parts. But we'll make it happen. We'll do it. Work nice and slowly and not make any mistakes. So, alright, I'll update you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, it's nighttime. I figured I'd get started on this again. I took a little bit of a break. So let me show you what I've done so far, and then I'll set up the camera so you guys can see the fast motion of me doing this. I know I've been like kind of in and out and showing you like the final product, but yeah, I'll do that and I'll show you guys what I'm doing. So look at that, no floors. Woo! Now I'm starting to pull up all this stuff. I'll set up the camera and yeah, we'll just get going on that. It's kind of tricky getting you guys over here because it's like, oh shit, it's like a little maze. I gotta figure out where to put the camera too. Alright. Stepping on these, don't mind my white socks and my loafers. We're in quarantine, so looks don't matter today. Let me see. Can you guys still see me? Oh, it is very dark. Well, whatever. Okay, let's get it started. Hot. Let's get it started. Here. Oh, I am also going to be wearing some gloves because I cut my hands like 10 times yesterday, and I don't know when the last time I had my tetanus shot is, so keep going. Alright you guys, and we're done with the rear cargo floors. As you guys can see, got all that done. Now I just gotta go around, clean it all up, and then we should be golden. I think my next step is now to remove the load bed. So I gotta clear all this off, remove all this. And then I'll have access to everything inside here. the gas tank, all the supports, everything like that. I'm still debating on whether or not to build a rotisserie for this. I don't know if I really need to. I mean, make things a lot easier and help me out a lot, but we'll see. So catch me next video where I'll be removing the load bed. So hope to see you guys then. All right, bye.